which is all about Forex trading gurus. Who is the best trading guru of all? I see this question asked numerous times. I'm looking around the net and actually surprised at how frequently it's searched. Now, before we look at who is probably the best Forex trading guru, what we should do is define exactly what a guru is, because there's a difference to the meaning in the East of the world and the West of the world. In the East, it normally means a teacher who imparts knowledge to the pupil that they can go and use. In the West, I think it's more seen as people who follow someone through naivety. And I think in Forex trading, there's a huge amount of people out there who actually present themselves as gurus. You see them all over the net. And what they do is they basically say they've found the secret of success. All you have to do is buy their system, buy their strategy, and you'll be all right for the future and make a huge amount of money for a very small outlay. Now, this is something, it's very popular to do on the net. I've said it in other videos, that people just blindly want to follow someone else and think that that person can give them success. Now, the people who put themselves up as gurus, and say they found the secret of success and how brilliant they are, have never traded. I mean, you just got to go and look at some of the videos. They're hilarious. These people are just cashing in on naivety. And, and people just buy these systems and buy the message. And I find it extraordinary. Now, having said that, is there people you can learn from and they can impart teaching to you? Well, I think the answer is yes, there is. There's plenty of free information on the net, which is being put up there on the great traders of all time. And, you can search, these people out. Putting searches for like Jim Rogers, George Soros, Victor Spirandio, Bill Lippershutz, all those traders who've really done it, and are world famous. Not the guys, who put, videos up saying that, they've got better track records and they haven't. So search out these traders. Obviously not going to teach you directly, but you can get a lot of knowledge from their writings. Now, you can obviously go to people who will teach you. We obviously offer a course and we teach people. We've always maintained that if you want to learn and you've got motivation, we can teach you, and then it's up to you how you use the knowledge. And someone actually once came to me and said, how many courses have you sold? And I said, probably about 20,000 since the late 90s, maybe more. I've got no idea. This guy said, does everyone make money? Do you think they bought the course? I just said, no, I doubt it. And he said, well, why not? And I said, well, you've got to remember, that you're trading in an environment which relies on you. So at the end of the day, it's how you use the knowledge. The best way to see it is perhaps like if you look at a diet, okay? Anyone can go on a diet and anyone can lose weight. But how many people actually manage to stick to a diet? Well, it's probably about 20% of people who start. Of course they can do it if they want to. They just choose not to do what they need to do. And I think Forex trading is the same. People look for gurus and look for shortcuts. But that's simply, I've said it numerous times, it's a waste of time. Forex trading is a personal experience. Now, when I learned to trade, I learned off, other people. I got their knowledge, assimilated it to myself, and then, basically developed a strategy which suits me. And I think that's what everyone's got to do. No one is just going to hand you the magic, wand for success. It just doesn't happen. It comes from you. But your learning is very important. You need to learn from the right people, and you need to learn from the right material. The great news is a lot of it is free on the net. All the great traders that you can look up, and you can get some fantastic tips from them. There are people who coach you as well, but always go for someone who's going to coach you who doesn't say that they're going to make you rich with no effort, because you have to put a little bit of effort in. So if you actually want to learn Forex trading, you can get most of the information for free. If you want to get coaching, there's plenty of people who do coaching, but please ignore all these Forex gurus who've never traded, who are online, telling you that you're going to make money without putting any effort in on your side. So stick away from that. Forex trading is a fantastic business. It's simple to learn. Anyone can do it. Just get the right education and you can win. Take care. Have a good day.